Now let us solve the question number 6. Is from abstract algebra, and question says that, just a second, yeah, so option 6 says that option C says that G dot be a group of order 35. Okay, so G is a group of order 35. So this is 35. So G is a group of order 35, right? So option A says that G cannot be cyclic. Option B says that G is cyclic. Option C says that G is only abelian. G is only abelian. Option D says that G is not abelian. Okay, so just observe the option. First option says that G cannot be cyclic. Option B says that G is cyclic. Option C says that G is only abelian. Option D says that G is not abelian. Again, you can solve this question by observing the option before starting its solution. So first of all, first option says that G cannot be cyclic. G cannot be cyclic. And option B says that G is cyclic. So we know that for any group, any one of these must true. So either option A true or option B true. So we can, before starting the solution, we can discard option D and option C. Option C says that G is non-abelian. So this is false. So this is false means G must be abelian group. And option B says that G is only abelian. Again it is false. So G is not only abelian, it is more than that. So G must be cyclic. So option B must be true before starting the solution. Okay. Now how we can deal with this kind of problem? Okay. So G is a group of order 35. So to solve this problem, we are going to use a fact. What fact? Let G be a group of order PQ, where P and Q are 2 primes. Okay, G be a group of order PQ where P and Q are 2 primes and Q less than P. Okay, G and G be a group of order PQ, P and Q are 2 primes and Q less than P if Q do not divides P minus 1. That is, Q does not divide P minus 1. Okay, just observe that. If we can write it as P into Q where Q does not divide P minus 1, where Q is the smaller prime, then I can say that then G must be cyclic. Okay, are you getting my point? What I am saying? I am saying that if we can write order of a group as the product of 2 primes and the smaller prime does not divide 1 less than the bigger prime, then the group must be cyclic. Now you can see that the order of G is 35, so I can split it as 5 into 7. Here 5 is the smaller prime, so here, and I can say that 5 does not divide 7 minus 1, that is 5 does not divide 6, right? So 5 does not divide 6, and hence I can say that G is cyclic. So option B is our correct option, right? So any group of order 35 must be cyclic. Okay, any group of order 35 must be cyclic. Okay, by same fact you actually can show that. By same fact you can show, again you can show that if someone asks me whether any group of order 33 is cyclic or not, you can write it as 3 into 10 11, and 3 does not divide 11 minus 1, so 3 does not divide 10. So I can say that any group of order 33 is again cyclic. So this is not, so this kind of questions you can solve right now. Okay, you can deal with this kind of questions, right? So that's all about our question number, I think it is 6. Let us solve the question number 7.